In 3 months, it will be our wedding anniversary. Where would you like us to celebrate it?
Brazil.
Brazil?
Yes, Brazil is a beautiful country. We could visit the Amazon rainforest.
Well, okay, that's a great idea. Would you like us to travel by airplane or by cruise ship?
A cruise ship. Did you check everything? Passports, credit cards, and cash?
Yes, everything is inside.
Darling, this is going to be one of the most beautiful moments of our lives. I've always dreamed of Brazil.
We'll spend 3 weeks on the ship heading to Brazil, with stops in Martinique and Costa Rica.
I can't wait!
Let's go eat, darling.
What would you like to eat? Rice and chicken, Coca-Cola to drink.
And I'll have the same, please.
Wow, what a beautiful pool! It's magnificent!
It really is. Perfect for us.
Look at that water slide! I can't wait!
We'll go right after this.
Yes!
This is amazing, love.
Look at them, so beautiful!
Today marks 3 years since we got married. You are everything I was looking for, everything I was missing. We're not perfect, but with you, I am complete. I love you. Are you the John family?
Yes! Wow, look at that beautiful bird. What is it called?
It's called a toucan. Its beak is longer than its neck. In the forest?
Of course. Would you like to see them?
Don't be afraid. I'm here.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm really tired.
Let's go to the beach. In 3 more days, the ship will go to Costa Rica.
Wow, I can't wait.
What you just watched was created using ChatGPT, Grok, and CapCut, with no budget. Today, I'm going to show you how to use these same tools to create YouTube films and build a real business. Before showing you the tools and the process, I want to show you why this model works. This is not theory. This is already happening on YouTube. Let's take a look at one real channel. This channel is called Emma Daily English. In just 4 months, it has reached over 200,000 subscribers and millions of views. What matters here is not the language, it's the format. Based on public data and revenue estimations, channels using this format can generate significant monthly income. According to Social Blade, this channel gained over 68,000 subscribers and more than 2.5 million views in the last 30 days alone. Based on public data, Social Blade estimates that channels at this level may generate between $600 and $9,000 per month. These are estimates, not exact numbers, but they show the potential of this format. So the goal is not to chase numbers. The real goal is to understand why this type of content works and how it can be reproduced. That's exactly what Zylexa is about. In this series, I'll show you the exact process I use to create YouTube story videos, step by step, using free tools and build a real channel. Step 1. I write the story myself. I describe the full story and break it down scene by scene. Once everything is written, I copy the content and use ChatGPT to organize and structure the story clearly. Once the script is ready, I copy everything from ChatGPT and paste it into Canva docs. Now, I start creating the images for each scene. Scene 1. I begin with Scene 1. First, I copy the global character definition and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, I copy the script for Scene 1 and paste it below. This allows ChatGPT to generate a consistent image for Scene 1. Scene 2. For Scene 2, I repeat the exact same process. I copy the global character definition, paste it into ChatGPT, then add the script for Scene 2. This creates the second image fully consistent with the first one. Scene 3. I continue using the same method for Scene 3. Consistency is key. That's why I always reuse the same character definition. Make sure to watch until the end, because I saved a bonus tip for you. Scene 4. Advanced step. Now let's move to Scene 4. For this scene, I copy the image from the previous scene and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, I add the global character definition again, followed by the script for Scene 4, placed below the image. This helps maintain visual continuity while advancing the story naturally. Now, let's move to Scene 5. I copy the image from the previous scene and paste it into ChatGPT. I repeat the same process, and ChatGPT generates the next image. Next, we move to Scene 6. I copy the global character definition, paste it into ChatGPT, then add the script for Scene 6. Once again, ChatGPT generates the image for this scene. At this point, you can see that the process is very simple. If you follow the steps carefully, you can reproduce this workflow easily. Make sure to watch closely because consistency is the key. I'll include the full script in the video description so you can practice on your own. Feel free to pause the video and repeat each step. Once all the images are created, we'll upload each image back in ET one by one, matching each image to its scene. Then, we'll move to the second step, a step that is extremely important. Now, let's move to Grok. Click on Imagine, then upload the first image for Scene 1. Next, copy the global character definition and paste it below the image. Then, copy the prompt for Scene 1 and paste it under the character definition. This allows Grok to generate the video for Scene 1. Once the video is generated, upscale the video to improve the quality. Then, download the video and save it for the final edit. Now, let's move to Scene 2. First, download the image for Scene 2. Then, copy this specific sentence to make sure the dialogue does not change and the voices remain consistent. Paste that sentence below the image. Next, copy the prompt for Scene 2 and paste it under the image. Because Grok generates 6-second videos, I copy only a portion of the dialogue that fits within this time. This allows us to continue the dialogue smoothly within the same scene.
In 3 months, it will be our wedding anniversary. Where would you like us to celebrate it?
Brazil.
I play the generated video, pause it, then copy the next part of the dialogue. I paste that dialogue under the video in Grok and generate the next clip. Once Grok finishes
Brazil?
generating the
Yes,
video,
Brazil is a beautiful country. We could visit the Amazon rainforest.
I upscale it to improve the quality. Then, I download the video and save it for the final edit. I continue the conversation,
Brazil?
Yes,
and I play
Brazil
the
is a
video.
beautiful country.
Then,
we could visit
I
the
pause
Amazon
it.
rainforest.
Next, I right-click on the video, select Save Video Frame As, and upload the image. Now, I copy this sentence to make sure the characters do not change and to ensure Grok keeps the same voices. I paste it under the image. Then, I copy the Scene 2 prompt and paste it under the image. I continue. I copy the rest of the dialogue and paste it under the image, still inside Grok. I generate the video. Once Grok finishes generating the video, I upscale it and download it.
Well, okay, that's a great idea. Would you like us to travel by airplane or by cruise ship?
A cruise ship.
Next, I create a transition for the video. I copy the script and paste it into Grok. Then, I click to let Grok generate the images. I select one of them and click Make Video. After that, I upscale the video and download it. Now, let's move on to Scene 3. I download the Scene 3 image. Then, I copy the global character definition and paste it under the image. Next, I copy the Scene 3 prompt, paste it into the image, and click to generate the video.
Did you check everything? Passports, credit cards, and cash?
Yes, everything is inside.
Once Grok finishes generating the video, I upscale it and download it. Now, we continue with Scene 4. I upload the Scene 4 image. Then, I copy the global character definition and paste it under the image. Next, I copy part of the dialogue from Scene 4, paste it under the image, and click to generate the video.
Darling, this is going to be one of the most beautiful moments of our lives. I've always dreamed of Brazil.
Play the video, pause it, select Save Video
The most
Frame
beautiful
As,
moments of
and
our
download
lives.
it. Download the Scene 4 image again. Then, copy the global character definition. Next, copy the remaining dialogue, add it under the image, and click to generate the video.
We'll
After
spend 3
that,
weeks on the ship heading
upscale
to
the
Brazil
video
with
and
stops in
download
Martinique
it.
and Costa Rica.
I can't wait!
At this stage, the video remains concise and focused. I'll continue with the remaining scenes, and I'll place all the scripts in the video description. Now, we move on to the third step, which is video editing with CapCut. Make sure you watch the entire video, because I have a bonus waiting for you at the end of this tutorial. Let's move forward. Go to CapCut and click on Import to upload all your video files. Once the videos are imported, select all of them and add them to CapCut. Next, place each video on the timeline, one after another. At this point, make sure all your videos are correctly added. Now, let's add transitions. Click on Transitions, then select Overlay. Choose a transition you like and click Apply to All so it is added automatically between each scene. Next, we'll add the background music. Open Chrome and head to studio.youtube.com. Go to Audio Library. Apply the filter. Select Attribution Not Required. Now browse by genre, mood, or search by artist. Find the track that fits your video. Click Download. And just like that, professional music, completely free. Now go back to CapCut. Click Import and import your music. Then drag the music directly into the timeline. Click on the audio track and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your video.
In 3 months, it will be our wedding anniversary. Where would you like us to celebrate it?
Brazil.
Brazil?
Yes, Brazil is...
Next, cut the music and adjust it to match your scenes perfectly. Once everything feels smooth and balanced, export it. Now here is the bonus. I'm going to show you how to create a professional video thumbnail using Canva, completely for free in just a few minutes. Click on Templates, then type Thumbnail and select YouTube Thumbnail. Next, choose one of the free templates. I'll select a free one, then click on Customize this template. Now, I remove the elements I don't need. Then I edit the text at the bottom and type John's family. After that, I click on Import to select one of the best images from the video. I download the image from Canva. Then drag and drop it directly into the thumbnail. Wow, it's really simple and looks beautiful. Finally, I click on Share and download the thumbnail. Very nice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. This is Zylexa,